Here's another one. As we're reaching out to people, we want to start conversations with them, especially if it's one of two scenarios. So it's, let's say you find somebody on LinkedIn, you're trying to build that relationship, you're trying to get them to have a discussion with you, or somebody has maybe filled out a form or a web request and they want information from us. The best way that you can get that relationship started in the right direction and have that relationship go down the road that you need it to go is if you have as a highest level of credibility as possible. Okay? And one way you can do that, and please, I don't want anybody getting themselves in trouble with HR. I'm not asking you to lie. I'm not telling you to be deceptive around your title. But instead of saying, you know, hey, this is Matt Easton with Acme, I want you to say, hey, it's Matt Easton. I'm in charge of new practices here at Acme, and I'd like to get your opinion on. When you use that word, I'm in charge of, okay, that's going to automatically trigger certain things in their brain to be like, this person is not salesy. This person is not trying to ram something down my throat. They want my opinion. They're not sure if it's for me. All those things that we just talked about. But I want you guys to play around with that a little bit